Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Monica AI, the intuitive platform designed for writing, coding, and seamless chats. First, let's get started by setting up your Monica AI account. Follow these simple steps. Discover how to utilize Monica AI for writing tasks. Here are some tips and best practices. Next, let's delve into coding with Monica AI. Here's how to leverage its robust capabilities. Engage in meaningful conversations by utilizing the chat features of Monica AI. It's simple and effective. Explore the advanced features to customize Monica AI to fit your personal needs. Let's integrate Monica AI with other tools and platforms for a more streamlined experience. If you encounter any issues, here's a guide to troubleshoot common problems with Monica AI. Let's take a look at the future of Monica AI and explore the insights into upcoming features. Thank you for joining us. Maximize your experience with Monica AI and unleash your creativity.